Every now and then, a new technology, method or product enters our industry that changes the way that we do things. Now, I believe that the WORX Plus Tempo Pad has done that. In a moment, I'm going to show you a few examples of how you can use them for yourself to change the way that you do things. Although diamond impregnated pads are nothing new in our industry, their original intention or design was for the maintenance of mechanically polished concrete surfaces. On the backside of a Tempo pad is a very rugged nylon backing pad. On the front is where we have the working surface area. The working surface area is lined with diamond impregnated resin applied to the front of that backing pad. Now what this does is it means that we have a large working surface area. This helps us to keep temperature and weight down. This lends itself well to high processing speeds, whether you're using a planetary grinder or a burnishing machine. The surface I'm kneeling on right now has been taken up to a 200 grit impact resin. We know that a 200 grit resin is actually a honing tool, not a polishing tool. It's quite typical for us to see a lot of machine marks in the surface. But what if the customer, your client, wants to stop at this shine level? I'm going to take off the 200 grit resins and I'm going to put on a 400 grit Tempo with the objective of just removing those profiling marks from the surface, leaving us with a nice clean satin. If you're picking up a set of Tempos, make sure that you pick up a set of super rippers to carry them. The grip is so much better than your regular standard Velcro. So we can use Tempo pads at lower grits for scratch correction, and we can use Tempo pads for increasing our gloss levels and our resistance to abrasion when we're under budget constraints or time constraints. And you know what? You can also use Tempos for their design and intended purpose. Remember, maintenance. So when you finish a job, make sure that you insist it's maintained with a Tempo pad at the same grit that you finished with. It'll extend the life and the durability of that floor for many years to come.